gusto ko mag-focus sa national budget, ano? Kasi ito yung for 12 long years, straight years sa Senado, yung mga matagal na nag-cover sa Senate, alam nyo naman kung ano yung passion ko sa pagbabantay sa national budget, not for personal interest or reason, dahil hindi naman ako kumuha ng pagbarit ko for the longest time, dahil talagang ang tingin ko, yung national budget, ito yung talagang dapat bubuhay kasi I consider the national budget as the lifeblood of the country's economy. At kung titingnan natin yung national budget natin, ang focus masyado na sa national line agencies. So much so na at the end of the calendar year in, year out, pinag-aralan namin yung historical data nito, laging merong unspent. So why don't we just spread it out, bigay sa mga local government units, give them the responsibility but with accompanying accountability in the same manner that national line agencies are accountable. Dahil may COA naman tayo. Nasa ganon, yung trickle-down effect na tinatawag ng progress, ma-felt o ma-feel do sa mga malalayong lugar sa Pilipinas. When we did our math, easily we can provide each province, yung 81 provinces natin, each province can be provided with 1 billion pesos to augment or to be used on top of the 20% of the era of the province. Each municipality easily can be provided from the national budget ng 100 million pesos. Each city pwede bigyan ng 300 million pesos, and each barangay, even down to the barangay level, we have 42,026 barangays. Kayang-kayang bigyan ng 5 million pesos para sa sarili nilang development. Ito yung nakikita namin that can easily really improve the lot of the local government executives constituents. And this can happen across the country. Hindi yung napaka-traffic na rin sa Cebu, napaka-traffic na rin sa Davao City. Dahil nga ang focus natin talaga nakakonsentrita sa mga highly urbanized centers like Metro Manila and elsewhere. But if we distribute the national budget in that manner that we are suggesting, sa tingin ko yun ang magiging sagot para umasenso yung buong Pilipinas, hindi yung ilang urbanized centers in the country.